morning, dear students. How are you all? All are fine now? Okay. Today we are going to study body parts. In EVS, our first lesson is body parts. And in the last class, do you remember that in the last class we studied about the self-introduction? All of you practice that? In the self-introduction you already studied that your name, class, your age, which color you like, something like that. And I think all of you remember that one. And in the next class, you want to do one activity. Each and everybody, you take your video to say something about the self-introduction. Minimum 5 sentences you have to say and post in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to take our first lesson, my body. This portion also very easy and you already studied from Montessori Senior. My body means our body parts. We have so many body parts. In externally we have so many body parts and also internal organs we have. Now we are going to study about the external body parts. Do you know what are the body parts we have? External body parts means the body parts which we can see. നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ കഴിയുന്നതാണ് external body parts. So the first one, what is this? Head. This is head. And this one, face, our face. And eyes, ears, nose, mouth, cheek, chin, neck, hands, chest, stomach, legs. And in the arm, in the hands, there are here these parts are arm. And here we have 10 fingers. 10 fingers we have. And in the leg we have toes. In the hand we have fingers and in the leg we have toes. And this one elbow. Elbow. This one elbow. And in the leg there is knee. And also we have to understand that each body parts have their own function. Each body parts have their own function. So, what is the function of our eyes? Do you know what is the function of our eyes? Eyes to see. What is the function of the eye? We have eyes, we have two eyes to see the objects, to see all around us. The different colors, the plants, the animals, birds, all the things we can see through our eyes. And what are the functions of our ears? We have 2 ears. What is the function of ear? To hear the sound, to hear the sound of music, to hear the sounds of birds, to hear the sound of our mother, to hear the sound of our teacher. So that is the function of ears. And nose, what is the function of nose? To smell the beautiful things and to breathe, also to breathe. So 2 functions are there in our nose Through the nose, we can smell and breathe. Then, mouth. This is mouth, and inside the mouth there is tongue, teeth, lips. These are also the parts of the face. And inside there is tongue. What is the function of tongue? To taste and to talk. Talk and taste. Okay. And the teeth to grind the food material. To bite and to grind and chewing. Chewing means what? Chavakya. And these are the functions of different body parts. And what is the function of our hands? To hold the things. To hold, to catch and hold. Catch and hold. To catch and hold the things with our hand. And legs. We have legs to walk and run, jump. So these are the functions of our different body parts. All the body parts have their own function. So we have external body parts and also the some internal organs also there inside the body that we can't see. Inside the body there are so many parts that we can't see. But they also have their own function inside the body. And now we have 5 sense organs. Except these external body parts, we have 5 sense organs. These sense organs are also called 5 friends. We have 5 friends in our body. That is the sense organ. Sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So the eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell and breathe, tongue to taste and talk. Then last one is skin. Skin is to touch and feel. For which purpose? To touch and feel. Okay. These are the functions of all the body parts we have. And I think you studied from Montessori about the fingers. Did you study about the fingers? We have main 5 fingers we have in one hand. And in 2 hands it's totally 10. So these fingers also have their own name. This is thumb. The first one and the thick one is, fat one is thumb. Then this one is pointer finger. We can point out with this finger, pointer finger. And middle finger. Then ring finger. And the last one is, small one is baby finger. So we have a rhyme about these fingers. Do you know that one? Did you study from Montessori? The rhyme of fingers. Also, this is thumb. Also, we can call this thumb father finger. This is also known as father finger. So, in our rhyme, there is a line. Father finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? That is the first line. So this is the father finger or thumb. And second one is mother finger or pointer finger. This is also called pointer finger and we can call it mother finger. So, mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? And this is the middle finger. This is the middle finger and also we can call it as brother finger. So, brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? And the ring finger is otherwise known as sister finger. Brother finger, father, mother, brother, and sister finger. So, sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? And the last one is baby finger. This is always we can call it as baby finger because this is the smallest finger in our hand. So, baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is the finger, this is the rhyme about fingers. So, I think you catch me or you can follow me. Okay, so we discussed about the body parts, external body parts we have and also internal body parts. In the external body parts, you already studied from Montessori our head, ears, eyes, face, mouth, neck, chest, hands, stomach, legs, etc. are the external body parts, and all the external body parts have their own function. And the 5 friends we have, this is also known as sense organs. So, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 sense organs. These also have their own function, and the biggest sense organ is skin. That is the one thing, that is the important thing. The biggest sense organ is our skin, and our biggest sense organ have the function to touch and feel. And next one is our fingers name: thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger and baby finger. So, this is enough for the day. We can see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.